Good afternoon to you. It is 3:30. I'm first warning meteorologist Eric Burris. This is the afternoon coffee talk update. We get together 5 days a week during the work week and just check in, see how things are going, and kind of get your mind working into the what's ahead, what's next, what shall I do with the family, all that fun stuff. Happy to report a pretty nice quiet scope on our satellite and radar in our area. Up to the north, there is moisture forming. That is the next storm system that will go up and around us. Here we are living in paradise, not really having to much concern ourselves with that sort of a thing. So we sit pretty here. Outdoor plans tonight, I'm thinking maybe dinner outside. I don't know. It's just beautiful. Temperatures in the lower 70s, and we'll kind of drop off little by little by little. We'll work into the lower range of the 70s by 11 o'clock. Sure. At that point, I don't imagine many of us out and about enjoying, but you overall get the idea of really comfortable night. One thing to point out, the humidity levels are still low enough that even if these temperatures look like summer, we do not feel like summer. That onshore wind, though, that is what is helping to drive up those temperatures. And we're going to frankly go from warm to warmer over the course of our midweek and late week, and even talking about the potential for some records. So let's talk about things. First off, overnight tonight into tomorrow, it looks nice. Just trending a little milder, like 3, 5, 7 degrees milder than where we were this morning. Still very, very nice. 60 degrees the overnight low temperature in Orlando, 57 degrees in the Villages. It's 62 in Daytona Beach, 64 degrees in Titusville. Then we look ahead to tomorrow afternoon. Lots of sunshine. Notice these warming temperatures, though. It's 85 in Ocala. Wow, 84 degrees in Leesburg, 84 degrees in Winter Haven, 82 in Sanford, 84 Orlando. Along the shoreline, that onshore wind is going to help to keep your temperatures just a little bit lower. Upper 70s for you. For most of us, Flagler County, you'll be into the lower range of the 70s. But take a look at Futurecast. Tomorrow morning, a couple of clouds, maybe a sprinkle. Not really too concerned about that. Lunchtime and beyond, it's gorgeous, and we keep that gorgeous weather all the way through dinner time Tuesday and right through sunset. But we have indeed started this climb of temperatures. Look at the trend these next couple of days. Average high, 76. We'll do 84 degrees tomorrow, 87 degrees Wednesday, 88 degrees on Thursday. So while, yes, today is warm, we have but only begun the temperature climb. Again, checking on the Muggy meter, though, our dew point temperatures remain in the 50s and 60s, which means it still stays very, very comfortable. That said, we could be talking about some records. Wednesday, 87, the record is 89. Thursday, 88, the record is 90. Friday, 88, the record is 90. So yeah, we are at least heading in that direction. Let's take a look. Central Florida's certified most accurate 7-day forecast. And of course, we will have a forecast package update during our early evening newscasts today. Watch those temperatures climb. For this upcoming weekend, we've of course got the half. Is it the Princess over at Disney? Mornings are going to be comfortable. It's not humid. That's the key to remember. So even if the afternoons are toasty, at least the mornings are nice. 88 degrees Thursday, 88 for our Friday high. And then we get into, oh my goodness gracious, I need my afternoon cup of coffee. And then we get into, a little bit of a frontal boundary, it looks like, by Sunday moving in. With these warming temperatures, it's important to note that spring is inadvertently sprunging in Central Florida. Can you hear it in my nose? Pollen count high and will remain high these next couple of days. So much fun. So if you're like me, if you're an allergy sufferer, unfortunately, that's where we're at. Do want to let you know, today marks 100 days until the beginning of hurricane season. And certainly we are not counting down. We're not excited about it. But your first warning weather team wants to make sure you are prepared. And I have been working hard these last few weeks. Frankly, the entire off season. I've been working hard, studying, tracking, all that stuff, to bring you my updated hurricane season forecast. Last year, put it out, did really, really well. This year, hoping again to do really, really well. March 1st which is next Tuesday. That is a big weather day because in addition to the GOES-T launch over at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, we also have our hurricane season forecast. Meteorologist Jeremy Nelson from our sister station, WJCL, who is my mentor in this long-range weather forecasting game. He is going to be joining us on Coffee Talk, the morning edition of Coffee Talk, and we are going to talk all about the upcoming 2022 hurricane season forecast. I had something pop up on the model even just this morning that it was like, oh. And then I went back to look at the LRC, and it's like, oh, there you are, Peter. I see you. Yeah, so one piece, early March, one piece of the LRC that is an indicator for hurricane season is cycling through. It's not a hurricane, it's not a tropical anything, but there is a storm system that is interesting. I love when it's like, oh, let me go look on the LRC and see if that's there. Oh yeah, it is. As a matter of fact, it's this part of the pattern. So anyway, March 1st, Tuesday morning, be here for the morning version of Coffee Talk. You can ask questions. I will be there certainly hosting it, but Jeremy Nelson will be there as well. And we are going to be putting out, he and I work very closely together on this. We're going to be putting out our forecasts together. I'm building the graphics. He's writing the article. You know, we're sharing responsibility. It's a group project. It's great. So anyway, be here for that. In the meantime, we've got Building Heat these next couple of days. Bask in that Florida sunshine and enjoy. Of course, we'll have full coverage on the Building Heat tonight on WESH 2 News, starting in just a little bit. All right, be the sunshine in someone else's day. I will see you for Coffee Talk tomorrow morning.